Step inside a realm where the horizon stretches infinitely and mysteries run deep beneath the surface. The Pacific Ocean, the world's vastest body of water, invites us on a journey beyond the familiar. It whispers stories of ancient mariners and hidden species, promising unexpected revelations. In its embrace, tectonic plates shift silently, and vibrant ecosystems thrive, hinting at secrets yet to unfold. The Pacific Ocean, a vast expanse of shimmering blue, holds secrets beneath its surface and along its rugged coasts, where majestic mountains meet the roaring waves. Here, the Pacific nurtures life in abundance, teeming with vibrant coral reefs and windswept islands. As the sun dips below the horizon, the gentle whisper of the ocean breeze carries the scent of salt and adventure, painting the sky with hues of fiery amber and soft lavender. The mighty ocean, ever-changing yet eternal, sculpting cliffs and carving beaches in a dance as old as time itself, invites explorers to witness its raw beauty and serene power. Amidst the vast canvas of blue, the Pacific Ocean, stretching from the icy embrace of the Arctic to the fiery tip of Antarctica, commands attention. This colossal body of water covers more than 63 million square miles, making it the largest and deepest ocean on Earth. Home to the Mariana Trench, it harbors depths that plunge over 36,000 feet into shadowy abysses. Its vast expanse influences climates across continents, while nurturing an incredible diversity of marine life. The Pacific's ceaseless rhythm, sculpting coastlines and shaping weather, reminds us of the planet's interconnectedness and the ocean's role as a vital artery of life. Why are the Galapagos Islands a living laboratory of evolution? Situated roughly 600 miles off the coast of Ecuador, these islands are home to a remarkable array of unique wildlife found nowhere else on Earth. From the giant Galapagos tortoises that lumber across the volcanic landscapes to the curious marine iguanas that dive into the ocean, the islands host an astonishing diversity of life. Charles Darwin's observations here in the 19th century famously inspired his groundbreaking work on natural selection forever linking the Galapagos to the story of evolution. Imagine a world where barren landscapes meet azure expanses of ocean. Welcome to San Benedicto Island, a remote jewel in Mexico's Revillagigedo archipelago. This volcanic island, born from fiery eruptions, spans just under 5 square miles, yet its impact is monumental. The island's most striking feature is the imposing Barcena volcano, which last erupted in 1952, transforming the island's silhouette. This isolated haven is a sanctuary for marine life, drawing divers from around the globe to its surrounding waters, teeming with manta rays and hammerhead sharks. Where the earth shakes and the sun warms the soul. Welcome to Vanuatu, a sprawling archipelago of over 80 islands scattered across the South Pacific Ocean. Here, nature's power is both a creator and a destroyer. This volcanic land is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, where seismic activity is a frequent guest. Yet, it is this very geology that gifts Vanuatu with its dramatic landscapes, lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and majestic waterfalls. Dive into crystal clear waters or explore the vibrant coral reefs. Vanuatu is a sanctuary for adventurers and dreamers alike. What if a place could embody the spirit of an island paradise while bustling with the energy of a city? Welcome to Honolulu, Hawaii's vibrant capital, nestled on the island of Oahu. With a population approaching 400,000, this city is a unique blend of urban dynamism and natural beauty. Waikiki Beach offers golden sands and rolling surf, while Diamond Head stands as a sentinel over the city. Honolulu's climate is a tropical dream, with temperatures averaging in the high 70s, cooled by gentle trade winds. Why is the Great Barrier Reef often called a living masterpiece? Stretching over 1,400 miles along Australia's northeastern coast, this natural wonder is the largest coral reef system on the planet. It is so immense that it can be seen from space. Housing over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of coral, and thousands of mollusks, the reef is a bustling underwater metropolis. Yet, this vibrant spectacle faces threats from climate change and human activity, challenging its resilience and future. What happens when history, culture, and natural beauty converge on a single island? Welcome to Guam, the largest of the Mariana Islands, nestled in the western Pacific Ocean. With a landmass of just over 200 square miles, this strategic U.S. territory has been a crossroads of civilizations for centuries. Spanish galleons once sailed these waters, leaving behind a legacy that still echoes in the island's architecture and language. Today, Guam is a melting pot of Chamorro, Asian and Western cultures, offering visitors a unique tapestry of traditions and flavors. Nestled in the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, Tonga is a shimmering constellation of over 170 islands, though only 36 are inhabited. Imagine this: a kingdom where time seems to pause, where the soft whisper of the ocean meets lush green landscapes. With a population nearing 100,000, Tonga is a place where tradition and community are the beating heart. Known for its captivating blowholes and the dramatic cliffs of Tongatapu, this archipelago invites explorers to witness nature's raw elegance in one of the last Polynesian monarchies. Welcome to Tonga. What shapes the identity of a place? In Cabo San Lucas, it's the Arch, a natural rock formation standing proudly where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. Known locally as El Arco, this iconic limestone marvel was sculpted by the forces of wind and water over millions of years. Standing at the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula, it serves as a gateway to marine wonders. From sea lions sunbathing on its rocks to the picturesque sunset silhouettes, this arch is a symbol of nature's artistry and a beacon for travelers worldwide. Tahiti, a jewel in the Pacific Ocean, is like an artist's canvas painted with vibrant blues and lush greens. As the largest island in French Polynesia, Tahiti spans over 400 square miles, offering a dramatic landscape of volcanic peaks and tranquil lagoons. This paradise was formed by volcanic activity, a reminder of Earth's restless energy. The island's capital, Papeete, serves as the bustling heart of French Polynesian life, where the scents of vanilla and coconut mingle in the air, drawing visitors into its colorful markets and lively streets. Nestled between the rugged Sierra Madre Mountains and the vast Pacific Ocean, Puerto Vallarta offers a striking blend of vibrant city life and serene natural beauty. With its shimmering coastline stretching over 25 miles, this Mexican gem is a haven for beach lovers and adventurers alike. The heart of the city beats in the Zona Romantica, where cobblestone streets echo with the rhythms of mariachi, and the aroma of street tacos wafts through the air. Here, the past and present converge, painting a vivid picture of cultural richness and coastal allure. What lies between Australia and New Zealand, stretching vast and untamed? Welcome to the Tasman Sea, a formidable expanse of water known as the Ditch. Spanning over 2,000 kilometers, this body of water acts as a dynamic corridor connecting the two nations. Its waters churn with life, from migrating humpback whales to bustling schools of fish. The Tasman Sea is notorious for its unpredictable weather patterns, where a serene azure sky can swiftly transform into a tempestuous storm, challenging even the most seasoned mariners. where nature paints its most vivid portrait. Welcome to Raja Ampat, a mesmerizing archipelago of over 1,000 islands, nestled off the northwest tip of Papua, Indonesia. Known as the crown jewel of the Coral Triangle, Raja Ampat boasts some of the highest marine biodiversity on the planet. Its azure waters teem with colorful coral reefs and more than 1,000 fish species. Above the surface, jagged limestone cliffs and lush rainforests teem with exotic birds like the red bird of paradise, creating a true Eden for eco-adventurers and nature lovers alike. Imagine a place where time seems to dance to its own rhythm. Welcome to Kauai, the oldest of Hawaii's main islands, a lush emerald paradise shaped by over 5 million years of weathering. Often called the Garden Isle, Kauai boasts a landscape where jagged cliffs meet verdant rainforests. With its towering Mount Waialil, one of the wettest spots on Earth, the island receives around 470 inches of rain annually. Yet, the sun-drenched beaches contrast this, offering a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. What draws visitors to the island's edge? Maui, the second largest Hawaiian island, captivates with its diverse landscapes and vibrant culture. Stretching over 727 square miles, Maui's terrain is a breathtaking mosaic of lush rainforests, volcanic craters, and golden beaches. The island's highest peak, Haleakala, towers at over 10,000 feet, offering a mesmerizing sunrise spectacle. Home to more than 160,000 residents, Maui pulses with a rich blend of native Hawaiian traditions and modern influences, making it a unique Pacific paradise. Is there a place where the ocean meets the imagination? Welcome to Monterey, a stunning Californian jewel cradled by the Pacific. This coastal city, with its rugged shoreline and sweeping views, is a haven for marine life enthusiasts and artists alike. Monterey Bay, part of the larger Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary, teems with biodiversity, from playful otters to majestic humpback whales. The city's history as a sardine canning powerhouse is immortalized along Cannery Row, where echoes of the past blend with the vibrant energy of today's visitors. Ever wondered where you might find paradise on Earth? Welcome to Aitutaki, a jewel in the Cook Islands, nestled in the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. This island, with its stunning turquoise lagoon, spans just over 16 square kilometers, but offers an unparalleled sense of space and tranquility. Home to around 2,000 people, Aitutaki boasts a unique cultural tapestry that blends Polynesian traditions with modern influences. Dominated by the peak of Maungapu, the island is surrounded by a coral reef, creating a kaleidoscope of marine life, making it a diver's dream. Imagine turquoise waters cradled by dramatic green peaks. Opunohu Bay is where nature's grandeur meets serenity. Nestled on the island of Moorea in French Polynesia, this bay is a natural amphitheater, once the backdrop for films like Mutiny on the Bounty. The surrounding mountains, rising over 2,000 feet, create a stunning contrast against the calm bay. Opunohu Bay is not just a feast for the eyes, but a historical treasure, dotted with ancient marae, or stone temples, echoing Polynesia's rich past. What makes the Isle of Pines a jewel in the Pacific Crown? Known as Kuni by the indigenous Kanak people, this island is a paradise of unspoiled beauty where towering pine trees meet pristine, turquoise waters. Covering just 67 square miles, it is small but mighty, a haven for biodiversity. The island's unique flora and fauna include species found nowhere else on Earth. With its mild tropical climate, the Isle of Pines offers a year-round invitation to explore its stunning landscapes and vibrant marine life. A jewel amidst the vast Pacific Ocean, Bora Bora is often likened to a painter's palette of turquoise, emerald, and sapphire. Nestled in French Polynesia, this island is a mere 12 square miles, yet its beauty commands the world's attention. Often dubbed the Pearl of the Pacific, Bora Bora is surrounded by a barrier reef and a stunning lagoon, which makes it a haven for marine life and water sports enthusiasts. The island's highest point, Mount Otamanu, rises majestically to over 2,000 feet, a dormant volcano that adds a dramatic backdrop to this tropical paradise. What makes a tiny atoll in the Pacific a focal point of history? Welcome to Tarawa, Kiribati, a place where time seems to hold its breath. Lying just shy of the equator, Tarawa is the beating heart of Kiribati, a nation of 33 coral atolls and reef islands. This narrow strip of land is home to over half of the country's population, packed into a space scarcely larger than Manhattan. With its shimmering blue lagoons and swaying palm trees, Tarawa offers a stark yet striking reminder of both the beauty and fragility of island life. How does a remote paradise maintain its mystique? Welcome to Wantahai Island, one of the enchanting atolls of French Polynesia. Nestled within the azure embrace of the Pacific Ocean, This island is a striking contrast of white sandy beaches and lush greenery. Spanning just over 5 square kilometers, Onatahi is part of the Tetiaroa Atoll, known for its breathtaking biodiversity. Here, coconut palms sway gently under the tropical sun, while the surrounding coral reefs shelter a vibrant tapestry of marine life, making it a haven for conservationists and adventurers alike. What makes Rarotonga, the largest of the Cook Islands, a magnet for wanderers? Embraced by the serene Pacific Ocean, this island brims with volcanic peaks sheathed in emerald green. Imagine stepping into a world where time seems to pause. Its lush landscapes are not just for the eyes. They invite exploration. With a circumference of just 20 miles, you can navigate its coastal road in mere hours, encountering vibrant markets and the rhythmic pulse of island life. Rarotonga's beauty is both intimate and vast, a captivating blend that leaves an indelible mark. In the heart of the California coastline, Morro Bay stands as a striking sentinel, dominated by the imposing presence of Morro Rock. Rising 576 feet from the Pacific Ocean, this volcanic plug is a remnant of ancient geological forces. Once an island, it now serves as a natural breakwater, shielding the harbor from the ocean's relentless waves. This iconic landmark not only defines the skyline, but also forms a sanctuary for peregrine falcons, making it a remarkable fusion of natural history and wildlife conservation. What lies at the heart of the Pacific Ocean, shimmering like an azure gem? Welcome to Fiji, a stunning archipelago of over 300 islands, renowned for its vibrant marine life and lush landscapes. With a population of around 900,000, these islands boast a unique blend of indigenous Fijian and Indian cultures. Fiji's diverse ecosystems range from the vibrant coral reefs, teeming with colorful fish, to dense tropical rainforests. Often a tropical paradise, Fiji experiences a warm climate year-round, with November to April marking the wetter season. What makes Lifu Island stand out in the vast Pacific Ocean? Picture an island where coral reefs embrace the shoreline, creating a barrier of vibrant marine life. Lifu, part of New Caledonia's Loyalty Islands, spans over 1,100 square kilometers, making it the largest of the group. Its landscapes vary from dramatic cliffs to lush, dense forests. Unlike its volcanic neighbors, Lifu is a raised coral atoll, resulting in a flat terrain that invites exploration. The island's unique geology supports diverse ecosystems, offering a natural haven for both flora and fauna. Is it possible for paradise to be measured? The Whitsunday Islands might suggest as much. Nestled in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, this archipelago boasts 74 islands, each fringed by coral reefs and cloaked in lush greenery. Whitehaven Beach is the crown jewel, its sands primarily composed of pure silica, giving them a dazzling white hue. These islands enjoy a tropical climate, with temperatures averaging a comfortable 27 degrees Celsius year-round. Welcome to Whitsunday, where nature's palette is as rich as it is serene.